into the cockpit.
Here we go.
I hope you are ready, my friends, but be sure
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Here we go. This is your seat, big dog. Here, sit down.
You're gonna sit right here, Sammy.
You're gonna fly this thing, all right?
I'm gonna buckle you in.
You're gonna go up and down. That goes up and down. Push it. You got it? Okay. Sweet.
All right.
You got your buttons, Sammy?
Ready, my pilots pull up on the yellow circle to load
Hurry now, time is money.
Hit that green switch. Hit that green switch, Nash. There you go. Here we go. You guys ready?
Repair test.
You ready? Here we go. All right.
You better be faster when we get there.
Oh boy.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
Ready? Hit it, Nash. Hit the button.
Pilot on the left.
Go.
Move your stick to fly right.
All right, we got this. I got this. I got this.
Pilot on the right.
All right, Nash, push up. Push up, big. Push up, push up. Push up, Nash. Go up. Go.
Are online.
Here we go. I got this. I got this. Go down, Nash, down.
Left pilot.
Here we go. Blasters. Woo!
Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Ready, Nash? Hit that button. Let's go. Woo! Ew. Whoa. We're going. Get him, Sean. Get him. Yeah, Sean.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Oh my gosh, I can't control it. Woo! Nash, you go. Ah, you got it.
Ah, there it is.
Get him, get him.
After that train.
Let's get the train.
Flight engineers. Fire the harpoon.
Let's go, engineers.
Shoot the cargo free.
Okay.
Pilot brakes.
Brakes. Where's the brakes?
My friends, there could have been much.
Ah! Ah!
Okay. It's much worse.
Oh my word! Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh my gosh!
Yes.
Woo!
You got one. Excellent.
We got one, guys!
Power up the ship.
Power up! Push your buttons! Push your buttons!
Maxing out.
Push your buttons! Here we go!
Just as I promised.
You got it! Ah!
Did something for Aldo. Pilots, line up behind the train. So
All right.
harpoon that last
Let's
car.
line it up, Nashi!
Behind the train.
The train! Oh, I'm going! I'll get us over there! I'm lining up!
The center.
Oh gosh!
Engineers.
Ah! We got him!
Gunners, shoot the train.
Go, 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 go!
Keep shooting.
Keep shooting! We got this! Woo!
I think I will let you tell the world.
We got it!
Oh, that's
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! We got this!
a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Sean missiles! Woo!
It's coming down.
Oh no! Can we fit?
Left pilot, hit the boosters.
I got it! Boost! Boost! Woo!
Not die. Let's get out of here.
Let's go! Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh no!
Hang it, AJ.
That wasn't me!
Yes, Chewie will pilot us.
Whoa! Chewie!
Retrieve one container
Hands
of
up.
Coaxia. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud.
We got one.
Now
That's all,
have
we
the
got one at least.
on this profit. You got minus what you owe me for damaging.
You did so good.
Hey, not bad.
That was Tuesday.
Look. Nice.
That was
You guys did so good though.